Elevate your business with the Resideo Pro App, your smart tool for efficiency and growth. Using the Resideo Pro App can help in 3 useful ways. 1. Make smart home activations quicker and less complicated with easy homeowner handoffs and interview-based configuration tools. 2. Automatically link your business to the homes you serve. Your Resideo account is associated to the connected product you install to retain customers more effectively. 3. Access training and support content anytime, anywhere to increase on-the-job efficiencies. Using the Resideo Pro app means you're building a book of business, making customer acquisition and retention easier than ever. When you're ready, you can activate Pro IQ services for your customers and start saving on truck rolls. Available from the App Store and Google Play, download the Resideo Pro app today and start changing the way you do business. To learn more, visit resideo.com/pro app.